Imagine cruising the streets on a compact four-wheeled ride that blends the freedom of a scooter with the comfort of a car. Meet the Econello Lunar Q, a futuristic mobility scooter designed to redefine personal transport. Powered by a 1000W brushless motor, it reaches speeds of up to 25 km per hour, making city travel fast and effortless. Its removable 60 volts lithium battery delivers up to 45 km on a single charge, so you can enjoy longer trips without worry. Control feels natural with its three-stage speed system, forward and reverse gears, and freewheel braking for smooth, reliable stops. Built to carry up to 80 kilograms, it's perfect for daily commutes or carrying small loads with ease. Safety isn't an afterthought. It comes equipped with LED headlights, dual mirrors, a horn, and an anti-theft steering lock, keeping you visible and secure wherever you go. Charging is simple too, plugging into a standard outlet and fully recharging in 6 to 8 hours. The Lunar Q isn't just another scooter, it's a step into the future of urban mobility. A ride built for today with a vision for tomorrow.
The full-stop security Gemini lock attaches to the wheels of a 2-axle trailer, preventing thieves from removing them and protecting the trailer from theft. It's secured with titanium bolts and is priced at $186. Dog guard barrier. This steel mesh is designed to make transporting pets, especially dogs, safer. It weighs 3 kilograms and installs and adjusts without tools. The price is $53.
Daymak Boomer Buggy X Pro, a scooter that feels like a car. Imagine a mobility scooter that looks and feels more like a mini electric car. That's the Boomer Buggy X Pro, a fully enclosed four-wheeled electric ride built for comfort, safety, and freedom. Powered by a 1200W motor and a 60 volts battery, it can travel up to 50 kilometers on a single charge, with a top speed of 20 kilometers per hour. Recharging takes 8 to 12 hours using a standard household outlet, making it simple and practical for daily use. But what really sets it apart is the design. It supports up to 550 pounds, has hydraulic disc brakes for smooth stopping, and offers 3 driving speeds. Inside, it feels surprisingly luxurious, with heating, air conditioning, power windows, locks, and even a sunroof. A full LED display, rear camera, and easy-to-read gauges keep you in control at all times. The Boomer Buggy X Pro isn't just another scooter, it redefines personal mobility. It bridges the gap between compact transport and full-sized convenience, giving independence a whole new meaning. It's not just a ride, it's freedom on 4 wheels.
Black Panther 2.0, the cheetah challenging sprint bot. Meet Black Panther 2.0, a 4-legged marvel that's obliterating speed records in its class. Clocking in a 100-meter dash in under 10 seconds, this robot isn't just running, it's redefining the boundaries of legged locomotion. Built with carbon fiber shins and shock-absorbing springs, it's capable of taking 5 steps per second, mimicking the cadence and efficiency of nature's fastest animals. The previous record holder, Hound, completed the same sprint in a sluggish, by comparison, 19.87 seconds, a number that now seems prehistoric. But what makes Black Panther 2.0 especially intriguing is its adaptive AI, which is constantly learning and evolving. It's not inconceivable that future iterations could close the gap between robots and biological marvels like the cheetah.
Imagine restoring entire forests with tiny wooden gadgets dropped from the sky. That's the vision behind eSeed, a groundbreaking creation from Carnegie Mellon University. Made from white oak wood, these clever seed carriers are designed to stand upright when they touch moisture. As they twist into the soil, they lock seeds safely underground, shielding them from harsh weather and hungry animals. But their purpose goes beyond planting. Each shell can also carry sensors to track soil health or release fertilizer, making the process smarter and more efficient. And because they're lightweight and natural, they're perfect for aerial seeding by drones. Picture a scorched forest after a wildfire. Instead of years of slow recovery, drones could scatter thousands of these carriers across the land, giving new life to barren soil in a matter of weeks. eSeed isn't just a gadget, it's a powerful step toward healing the planet's lungs and redefining how we fight deforestation. A tiny seed carrier with the potential to regrow the world. Imagine holding a rifle that feels more like a high-performance supercar than a firearm. That's the Stoeger XM1 Bullpup, a Red Dot Award winner celebrated for its futuristic design and precision engineering. Every curve of the XM1 is sculpted with millimeter accuracy, giving it sleek ergonomics that stand out in the shooting world. But it's not just about looks, it's about control. The unique multi-grip system lets you swap grips and cheek pieces, tailoring the rifle to fit your style, almost like a customizable kit. Inside, a built-in regulator keeps air pressure steady, ensuring each shot delivers consistent power and pinpoint accuracy. Combine that with its bullpup design, a compact frame paired with a full-length barrel, and you get balance and maneuverability in one package. The center of gravity rests at your shoulder, making it incredibly stable even in tight spaces. This isn't just another rifle, it's a fusion of innovation and performance. Whether navigating dense forests or demanding precision in the field, the XM1 bullpup proves that cutting-edge design can truly change the game. Imagine zipping through the streets in a scooter that feels more like a mini-car. The Geo all-season enclosed scooter brings that vision to life, blending the coziness of a cabin with the freedom of a scooter. Powered by a 1200W motor and a 60 volts battery, it cruises at speeds up to 18 miles per hour with a range of about 30 miles on a single charge. Just plug it in overnight, and it's ready to roll by morning. What makes this ride special is its all-weather design. With both heating and cooling systems, you stay comfortable no matter the season. The enclosed cabin isn't just protective, it's practical, too. You'll find a roomy driver's seat with a seat belt, space for a passenger or cargo, opening windows, and even a windshield wiper for rainy days. Capable of carrying up to 500 pounds, it's built for real-life needs, whether that's hauling groceries or giving a friend a lift. While it's best on flat terrain, it delivers unmatched style and independence for everyday travel. The Geo all-season isn't just transportation, it's freedom, wrapped in comfort and designed for the future of urban mobility. Imagine a vehicle built to conquer places where ordinary machines give up. That's exactly what the Robotics all-terrain beast delivers. This powerhouse isn't just about rugged looks, it's engineered for survival in the harshest conditions on Earth. With multiple configurations, from cargo carrier to passenger transporter, it adapts to any mission. Its true strength lies in endurance. Designed to withstand freezing temperatures as brutal as -50 degrees Celsius, this machine doesn't back down, no matter how extreme the climate. The terrain? Consider it handled. Whether it's swampy tundra, frozen wastelands, or unpredictable wilderness, the Robotics dominates with an astonishing 54 centimeters of ground clearance. That means rocks, ice, and boggy ground are nothing more than minor obstacles. And behind that performance is pure innovation. The RAC team designed its own two-stage gearbox and main drive system, ensuring reliability where it matters most. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a survival partner. A blend of power, design, and unstoppable capability that redefines what off-road truly means. In a world where nature throws its worst, Robotics proves there's always a way forward. Revo Hubless e-bike. Imagine riding a bike that looks straight out of the future. The Revo Hubless e-bike isn't just a ride, it's a statement. With its bold, spokeless wheels and cutting-edge design, it turns heads wherever it goes. Powered by a 750W motor and a 48 volts battery that charges in just 3 hours, this e-bike delivers around 500 watt-hours of energy, letting you cruise up to 37 miles on a single charge. Its hubless wheels aren't just stylish, they feature 800-lumen LED lights with ambient sensors, lighting up automatically in low-light conditions for unmatched visibility. Safety and security are built right in. A biometric fingerprint sensor, GPS tracking, and anti-theft features keep your ride protected at all times. While the single-speed setup and slightly heavier rolling resistance might feel different, the unique engineering and futuristic appeal more than justify it. Starting at $2,278 during pre-orders, rising to around $3,450 later, the Revo Hubless e-bike isn't just transportation, it's a revolution in urban style. Elevate your commute, turn every ride into an experience, and own a glimpse of tomorrow, today. The Kalila is a modern, eye-catching superyacht known for its bold gold hull and sleek, futuristic design. It offers luxury and comfort for up to 11 guests with 5 spacious cabins, including a master suite and VIP rooms. Inside, The large salon features floor-to-ceiling windows that provide stunning panoramic views. Outside, guests can relax on the sun deck, soak in the jacuzzi, enjoy the beach club, or dine outdoors in the alfresco area. With a top speed of 24 knots and a cruising speed of about 15 knots, Kalila delivers a smooth and powerful sailing experience, making it perfect for both relaxed getaways and longer ocean journeys.
The monotrack bike is a groundbreaking motorcycle concept that takes single-track riding to an entirely new level. With a unique design featuring a single wide central wheel, this bike delivers a sleek and minimalist look while enhancing both balance and stability. Capable of handling urban roads as well as rugged terrain, it offers a versatile riding experience for motorcycle enthusiasts who crave innovation. While pricing details are not widely available, the monotrack bike targets those seeking a bold, futuristic ride that stands out from conventional motorcycles. Early models encountered challenges related to maneuverability and weight distribution, but engineers have worked tirelessly to improve handling and rider control, resulting in a more refined design. As the monotrack bike continues to develop, it promises to revolutionize the future of motorcycling. By combining adventurous spirit with cutting-edge technology, it delivers a thrilling and stable ride that's perfect for both city streets and off-road exploration. The monotrack bike is not just a vehicle, but a symbol of what the future of motorcycling could look like, offering a glimpse into an exciting new chapter in two-wheel transportation.
Imagine a car that literally changes shape to match the road. Meet the City Transformer CT2. The electric microcar built to completely redefine urban driving. Its most futuristic feature? Adjustable width. In tight city streets, it shrinks down to just 1 meter wide, sliding through traffic and parking in spaces meant for motorcycles. But when you need more stability, it expands to 1.3 meters, giving you the confidence of a bigger ride at higher speeds. Under the hood, a 15 kilowatts electric motor powers the Connecticut 2 with a range of 120 to 180 kilometers per charge. Quick and nimble, it shoots from 0 to 50 kilometers per hour in just 5 seconds, perfect for the stop-and-go rhythm of city life. And here's the kicker. It comes at a price of just €6,000, making futuristic mobility surprisingly affordable. This isn't just another small car, it's a bold step toward smarter, more flexible cities. The Connecticut 2 proves that the future of transportation isn't bigger. It's smarter, sharper, and designed for the world we actually live in. Meet the Crechet X310, the beast built to conquer the impossible. This all-terrain monster from Russian maker Techno Impulse isn't just a vehicle, it's a survival machine. Powered by a 2.5L Hyundai engine pushing 100 horsepower, it may top out at 50 kilometers per hour, but its true strength lies in where it can take you. Equipped with differential locks, reduction gear, a winch, and automatic tire inflation, the Crechet adapts to any challenge nature throws its way. Its massive 600mm ground clearance and ability to scale slopes of up to 45 degrees mean rocks, mud, or snow won't stop it. Step inside, and it's more than just a cockpit, it's a mobile shelter. Designed for overnight stays, it keeps explorers comfortable during long expeditions. And with 80% of its components sourced from everyday automotive parts, maintenance in the field is straightforward and practical. The Crechet X310 isn't about speed, it's about survival. It redefines what an off-road vehicle can be: tough, reliable, and ready for the harshest frontiers. When the road ends, the Crechet begins.
Verge TS Pro. Power, style, and the future of riding. The Verge TS Pro is a high-performance electric motorcycle built for those who love speed, style, and innovation. Priced from $29,900, it sits firmly in the premium category, and for good reason. With an incredible 1,000 newton-meters of torque, this bike can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, delivering instant acceleration that feels like the future. One of its coolest features is the rim motor, cleverly built into the rear wheel. This design reduces the need for extra moving parts, giving you a smoother, quieter, and more efficient ride. But the Verge TS Pro isn't just about performance. It's about the experience. From its sleek, futuristic look to the way it hugs the road, every detail is designed for thrill seekers and tech lovers alike. You'll feel every bit of power while enjoying a clean, modern ride. Whether you're chasing adrenaline or simply love innovative design, the Verge TS Pro offers the perfect blend of advanced technology and raw riding excitement.
The BMW Dune Taxi is an all-electric, off-road prototype that has captured attention with its unique design and impressive specs constructed from natural fiber reinforced polymer NFRP. It features gull-wing doors, LED lights, and a supercar-style body under the hood. Dual electric motors generate 400 kilo of 536 horsepower and 1,738 lb-ft of torque, making it well-suited for both off-road adventures and asphalt roads. While BMW hasn't officially disclosed its purpose, enthusiasts speculate that it could serve as a promotional tool for existing xDrive SUVs or even hint at an all-electric Dora rally entry in a captivating YouTube video. The Dune Taxi tears through the desert sands of Lua, Abu Dhabi against the backdrop of the massive tall Mirab Dune, whether conquering dunes or cruising on roads. The BMW Dune Taxi embodies cutting-edge technology and
imagine a scooter that folds itself at the press of a button. That's the magic of the D-Blazy R30, an automatic folding electric mobility scooter that transforms into a compact trolley-sized package in seconds. Measuring just 62 by 39 by 48 centimeters when folded, it slips effortlessly into car boots, elevators, or even qualifies as airline baggage. Despite its compact size, this scooter packs serious power. Weighing only 22.4 kilograms without the battery, it comes with a lightweight 2.8 kilograms removable LiFePO battery that delivers up to 35 kilometers of range, perfect for daily commutes or travel adventures. And yes, it meets international air transport standards. Under the hood, a 250W brushless motor drives sturdy pneumatic wheels, offering 12 centimeters of ground clearance, a tight 69 centimeters turning radius, and the ability to handle slopes up to 6 degrees. Safety is built in with automatic braking when you release the throttle, plus an emergency lever brake for extra control. The detachable battery pops out in 1 second, making charging fast and hassle-free. The D-Blazy R30 isn't just a scooter, it's freedom, folded into the future of mobility.
Christie Hovercraft has been designing and building reliable hovercrafts, becoming one of the top manufacturers in the world. Their crafts are used across the globe, from the US to New Zealand, and are known for their solid performance and durability. One of their standout models, the Christie 6146, features a powerful setup with a 120 horsepower main engine and a 26 horsepower lift engine, allowing it to glide smoothly over snow at speeds up to 60 kilometers per hour. It's built to handle tough environments too, working even in extreme cold as low as 35 degrees Celsius. The cabin can hold up to 6 passengers, making it ideal for group outings, whether you're going fishing, hunting, or need a vehicle for rescue missions. However, there are some limitations to keep in mind. While it has a payload capacity of 1,500 kilograms on land, that drops to 550 kilograms when transitioning onto water. So it's important to monitor the total weight, especially when carrying gear or passengers. Despite this, the Christie 6146 remains a versatile and dependable choice. And with an estimated price of $34,000, it offers a relatively affordable entry into the world of personal hovercrafts for those looking to explore hard-to-reach places in any season.